Portable Air Conditioners 2026 Upgraded Personal Air Conditioner with 2 is presented as a personal air conditioning product designed around portable cooling. The available product information identifies it as a 2026 upgraded model and describes it specifically as a personal air conditioner, which suggests a more focused approach to cooling rather than making assumptions about whole-room air conditioning. Its portable format can be relevant for situations where personal cooling is the main priority, particularly when a compact cooling solution is preferred. However, the supplied information does not provide details about cooling capacity, operating modes, power source, battery life, noise level, water tank capacity, dimensions, coverage area, or other technical specifications. Those details would be important for determining exactly how the unit should be used and what type of cooling performance to expect. The product title also indicates that it is an upgraded version for 2026, but no specific changes or improvements are provided, so it would not be accurate to claim what has been upgraded compared with an earlier model. For buyers considering this type of product, the key point is that the available information positions it as a portable, personal cooling option, while leaving many practical specifications unspecified. That makes it difficult to assess its suitability for a particular room, workspace, bedside area, or other location without additional product details. Overall, this model appears intended for buyers interested in a personal air conditioning solution with a portable design. But the limited supplied information means important purchasing considerations, such as cooling performance, runtime, controls, maintenance, and operating requirements cannot be confirmed. Any decision should therefore be based on the complete specifications provided by the seller, rather than assumptions about features or performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.